Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. It is Wednesday and I think the schedule seems to be pretty much I record the vlog Wednesday to Wednesday, try and get it edited on a Wednesday for the Friday, which is like 2 days later, because I'm just, schedule and, well, summer holidays doesn't help at the minute because I'm figuring in days in the week to see my son. I don't think I have the brain power at the minute to record a vlog while I'm editing the week before's vlog because I'm just getting completely mixed up. So I'm hoping that that everything is coherent, and here's what I have been doing in the last few days. I've just done a shift at the Bucky Duck. First time I've been out all day since COVID, and my notebooks have arrived. I chased up awesome merchandise because you remember when the stickers came that it was a partial order, and I said I haven't had my notebooks, and they miraculously printed them and shipped them. So here we are. This is what 125 notebooks look like. I have no idea what this looks like on the thing. I can't do this under the tripod. Okay, I've wedged it. Oh, it's like pass the parcel because it's another smaller box. Oh, I like it. Oh, I really like that. Oh, it's crushed. Grr. Oh, I love it. I don't know if you can quite see the little quote on there. That maybe needs to be darker next time. I've got some of those, and then butterflies. That looks really nice. Oh yeah, I wasn't sure how that was going to work on the back. Nice, nice. Oh, and then the smaller ones. Oh, that's... I'm quite pleased with that as well. I like the way that I've wrapped it around the back there. I think I got 6 different... Oh yes, I got decided to get the Design a Life You Love for these ones. So that's a slightly different quote. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's Design a Life You Love. Hang on. Elephant, because that's a really popular one. And again, I did it kind of across the back bit there. Oh, I like those. Enjoy life every day was the other quote one. Oh yeah, it was the Northeast ones. Tynemouth Priory. That's nice. And there should be a time bridge in here. Where is the time bridge? There it is. There it is. Oops. Yes, time bridge. Yeah, really pleased with those. Woo! I'm at the Mucky Duck on Sunday again, so I can get those into the shop. Yay! Update on the notebooks. I'm not going to update you on the notebooks yet. I'm going to update you on why I just stopped the last clip. This is going to be a little bit of a talky bit at the end of here, and I do feel like I'm a little bit restricted by my environment. This is not ideal. It is very lovely of my brother to be letting me stay, but I don't feel with the vlogs I'm creative enough, and I'm just not settled. So he's just come upstairs and I've stopped the recording because I feel, I mean, I'm not like, I'm fine doing vlogs to the camera, that's fine, and putting them out there, but it's just when somebody doesn't understand kind of what you're doing and where you're coming from, and I feel a bit funny when he comes upstairs and I'm like talking away. Yeah, so that's one thing I was going to mention. So I do apologise if the quality of the vlogs isn't as good as they used to be. Just everything is still obviously up in the air. And I feel like I haven't settled into a routine, I haven't settled into a space. And it's hard living in somebody else's house. And I think having had COVID in somebody else's house, like being ill, I hadn't realised how hard that was either. Because I did just kind of shut myself away in the room, slept for a few days or whatever. And yeah, I think COVID's affected me emotionally as well, because I do feel a lot more kind of emotional. I am an emotional person anyway, but yeah, feeling a lot more emotional at certain things in the last couple of weeks. Anyway, let's get back to the notebooks. I've just edited the previous bit, and the first one of these that came out was a bit dunched on the corner, and unfortunately all of those ones are dunched on the corner. So I have sent an email to say that they are damaged. I haven't heard back yet. They did say 5 to 7 days for a response, and we're on like day 6 or something, or 7. So I need to chase them up in the next couple of days. And unfortunately, all of these ones are dunched as well. I mean, to be honest with you, they did print more of everything. I think that was supposed to get 16 of each of these. And I got 20 of each, but that's not the point. They must have all been like in a pile there. It's a do not crush, and obviously somebody's dropped it and it's just like dunched them on the corner. So I'm not happy about that. Wanted to give you a crayon update from the art journaling packs. I've put them in the 2 packs that are out. I've got one in the Emporium, one in the Mucky Duck. But unfortunately, I'm not going to put any more out because they all need a safety label. They all looked very pretty in the little bag that the woman put them in, but it's not viable for her to sell me one of these in a bag with a safety label. So they won't be going in the packs anymore, which is a bit of a shame, but they're not the best part of the pack, to be honest with you, so maybe it was just for the better, because I don't really use crayons. I thought she actually made the crayons, and I would probably prefer like pastels or something to go in there, but there is a local place that makes pastels, but they are very, 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 very expensive. Anyway, we'll see how the packs go, and then I can explore kind of different options for that.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I hope you enjoyed that. I do not know why I did not record the actual lavender scones after I'd made them, so apologies for that. I took a photograph of them and put it on social media, and I deleted it off my phone. Did I delete it off the computer? Hold on. It appears I probably didn't put it on the computer in the first place. Anyway, next time I make lavender scones, I will show you the end result, and they were very, very yummy. That was some lavender that a girl from work had cut and put into bunches for people. And I asked if you could cook with it, and she said yes, because it's English lavender. Related to the COVID conversation before, yeah, I went back to work a couple of weeks ago. If you've got COVID, please, I underestimated everybody telling me to take it easy, especially afterwards. Please take it easy and don't go back to normal life. I mean, I haven't particularly gone back to normal life because I still haven't done Zumba, and I've missed like 3 weeks or something. But the first Saturday I slept from 8:30 in the evening till 1:30 in the morning, and then could get back to sleep again. Was awake till 5, but my legs were aching. And even like this last week, I've been out and I've needed naps, and I did too much on Monday, and I've had like a pain here, coming up here, which I think I've started getting it at work, because when we scan things in the trolley, the plants, I scan with my right hand and I lift with my left hand, and some of the 3-litre pots, when they've been watered as well, are really heavy. So I think that action on here is hurting, and I think COVID has exacerbated the pain. Actually, it's not feeling too bad today. I think it might be tennis elbow, but on Monday I did too much, and I now admit at the day after I did too much, so I had a nap when I got back home. So yeah, it's just, I can't. People say take it easy, but I can't take it easy because I've got things booked in every single day, and we're going away to London this weekend. I'm taking my son to see his cousin. So I'm really trying. Sunday, I really tried just to take it easy. All I did was went and got him, baked the scones, and watched TV. So yes. When will I ever get back to normal? I don't know. Anyway, that's enough prattling on for me. Oh no, one more thing. There are so many things on my work list that I haven't got round to doing yet, but I did do these 2 for the Landscape Art Club while I was at the Mucky Duck on Friday. I haven't painted them yet, I will do. So they were 2 shots from a Japanese garden in, I believe it was Oregon, I can't remember. When I've finished them, I will record them for next week's vlog, and hopefully I'll put the place down that was. So I'm gonna take my sketchbook, a little one, to London with me, and the little Hannah one, and hopefully do a few sketches while I'm there, and hopefully have a little bit of a chill. I'm not doing massive sightseeing, but hopefully slow down a bit again, which is bizarre because I have just been on a holiday and I slowed down, but it's like anyway, if you have enjoyed the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.